Welcome entrepreneurs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with an actual website, an appointment booking website actually. To get started, there's actually two things you need to take in mind. First of all, sometimes when you want to create an actual booking website, you don't need an actual website, but you need to have an actual application that can be helping you with the actual customization of the booking section. So guys, what I want to do first of all is to choose an actual platform. So you can decide on the appointment booking website. You can use the Wix, you can use WordPress, you can use different plugins, Amelia. But today what I'm already focusing on is into the actual Calendly. Now, Calendly is going to be helping us to optimize the schedule workflow and get the most out of everything here. So the very first thing you wanted to do is to go directly into creating an account. It's going to be really easy actually. Just type an actual email as well as a passcode, and then you actually enter. Now the next thing you wanted to do is to set up your actual information. I'm going to head directly into my account, so you can see that we have all the elements about the Calendly. We have an actual free version, but if you wanted to check out new ways of how we can get started with the actual Calendly, you can just look out for the upgrade of the new subscription. For example, there's the standard plan, Teams plan, and the enterprise plan. So for example, the free plans comes with a meeting post, we have email notification, we have the custom branding on the booking page, we have the connection of the Zoom, Google Meet, and so much more, security control of data deletion compliances, and the email support. Now you've wanted to focus into move on into, let's say you have a little bit more budgeting, that you can focus into standard plan that comes with collected events types, group events, email notifications with reminders, and so much more elements. So choose the one that best suits for you. Then later on go back and let's start by creating an actual meeting here into the upper side and event type. Now here into the event type, what you can do is to go into 101, a group, collective, or round robin. I choose a 101 just as an example so you can see how it actually looks when somebody wants to make like a booking here. So my event name should be, let's say for example here, let's say meeting example, and the duration should be, I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes. You can choose Zoom and go for continue. You can make the integration of the Zoom page if you haven't added it already, so it's going to be really easy. Go for connect, and then just make the connection like a very easy way. Just go for allow, and then you're actually good to go. So guys, now that I have here my event here already been set up, I'm gonna try to go for update. I go for continue, and you can try to change the schedules and the time zones. For example, here's my event details, the host and the invites. Into the schedule settings, let's say that I want to allow to have the available hours from Monday to Friday from 10 to 8 p.m. of course. So if you wanted to change that, you can go into edit and you can go for all the 4 event type and you can change your schedules there. So you have the availability of them from 1 hour, one specific hour. For example, I don't know, maybe like 12, like this and like this. And lastly, you're gonna go into the change, save it, and then you can go back and you can see that the changes have been saved automatically. So later on, I'm gonna hit now into save and continue so you can see how it actually looks, the events limit. So if you go into save and to close, now you have the actual booking section. So what you can do is to share this. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it into a new private window. So I'm going to check out how it actually looks when somebody clicked into my actual link. So you can see that we have the all select date and time. I choose in a specific date and I can choose in a specific hour. So if I go for next, I need to add my name, my email, and anything that will help prepare for the actual meeting. So go for schedule the event, and then you're actually good to go. Now if I am on the other side, I go for done, I go for the scheduled event, and you can see that automatically we have now the upcoming here stuff. So what you can do is to click into the details and see if this one is available for us. So you can see they have the email, the invite time, the questions, any meeting zones, hosts. You can reschedule if you want to, or you can just cancel this. So let's say for example I don't have time. Just an example here, just go for just cancel, and then you're actually good to go. Lastly, if you wanted to integrate this appointment book into a specific website, then what I can totally suggest you is to go for the actual section that says show, and you can go for add to website. So you can just go in and line in Beamed or pop-up widget, whatever, go for continue, and copy the actual embeamed code. Go into your website. In this case, I'm actually using the actual Google Sites, so this is totally for free. I go for embeamed, I paste my actual embeamed code and go for insert. And you can see that the schedule now appears here into my website. Of course, there's another integration. Here is an actual website for, let's say, if you wanted to add more information about yourself, what you do for a living, the name of your product, your presentation, watch videos, and down here is my meeting with my marketers, and here is my available times. Lastly, gonna hit now into published, and then we're actually good to go. So as you can see, you can actually do this process, whether that will be from an actual direct website or directly only to send an actual link. That's totally optional, guys. You can of course focus into adding different workflows to ease the work and do much more, but of course you needed to upgrade your actual Calendly account. So guys, with that being said, we have now reached to the very end of the video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools that can be helping you to ease your actual tools and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all of that being said, we can see you into the next video of TechSpress. See you soon.